Sirubari village is located in Senja district, which lies in the southwest of Pokhara. It is situated at a height of 1,700 meters from sea level. Sirubari is one of the pioneers to introduce the concept of community-based homestays for the sustainable tourism development in Nepal. Sirubari began community-based tourism in 1997. The visitors can reach the village either by using public buses or private vehicles. The driving distance from Pokhara to Sirubari is about 45 kilometers and takes about 2 hours to reach the village. Trekking lovers can have a half-day walk from Negdada, a place along Siddhartha Highway, to reach the village. Sirubari offers unspoiled Gurung culture and heritage to the visitors. A tourism management committee has been formed, which is responsible for welcoming the tourists and managing accommodation, sightseeing, and guiding. The village consists of 60 households. The local people themselves provide food and lodging facilities to the tourists at their homes. Sirubari Village Tourism was awarded the PATA Gold Award 2001 in recognition of its efforts to preserve the local culture and heritage.